hope you guys are doing well. So a long time ago I made a table tricks video, so that in that video I taught you from 2 to 5 table tricks. So today we are going to be learning 6 to 9 table tricks. So hope you guys like the video. Let's get started. So now first we will be starting with the table of 6. So to do the table of 6, as you can see, I have drawn 2 tic-tac-toe grids, okay? So now what I will be doing, like the table of 6 trick is really easy. So first I will be just writing the numbers like this. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Now after doing this, writing till 9 in a serial wise order like this, after starting from the left bottom corner, I will be just writing a 0 here, okay, leaving a little bit space between the 7 and 0. I will be writing a 0, okay. So now what I will be doing is doing the same with the second box. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and finally I will be writing a 0 here. So now let's get on to with the next step. Now for the next step we will be just writing the numbers like 0 and then what comes after 0? 1, right? So 1 next, then 2. So 0. Now what comes after 0? 1. What comes after 1? 2. So I will be doing the same for the rest of the row. So 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2. So just like this I have done the row. Now what I will be doing is this 0 one. I have written the 0 outside the table. This is an exception one, okay. So I will be writing a 3 beside it. Like what comes after 2? 3, right? So I will be writing a 3 beside it. So now as the 0 is exceptional, we will be not considering the amount in the next row of the 0 in the next row. We will be considering the 2 amount as our last amount, which we will be now doing on the second row, okay, second table. So as 2 was our last number, what comes after 2? 3, right? So 3, what comes after 3? 4. What comes after 4? 5. So 3, 4, 5. Now respectively we will be doing the same for the next rows beside it. So 3, 4, 5, 3, 4 and a 5. And since the 0 is exceptional, we will be like, what comes after 5? 6, right? So we will be writing a 6 beside the 0. So 6. Hope you guys get the process. So basically I just I just wrote the number like 0, 1, 2, 0, 1, 2, like in a like order, okay, serial wise order, and I repeated that for 3 rows in the same box, okay, tic-tac-toe grid. And for the 0 exceptional one, I wrote a number that exceeds the number I last row in the row in the like box, okay. So the same, so 0, 3, 1, 2, 2, 1, like that. Hope you guys get the process. Now let's get on to with the next step. Now we will be going on with the next step. So the next step is like we will draw a diamond in the center of the tic-tac-toe grid, the center number of the tic-tac-toe grid. So on the first grid we can see that the center number is 15. So we will be drawing a diamond around the 15 numbers. So after drawing a diamond, I will be doing the same for the next grid. So we can see that the center of this grid is, or the second grid is 45. So I will just draw a diamond here Now what I will be doing is I will see where the edges of this diamond or like vertices of this diamond are touching. So we can see that each of those diamonds in both grids are touching 4 numbers. So what we are going to be doing is like in an orderly fashion, we are going to be circling encircle the numbers which are touching the vertices. For example, this 06 number is one number which is touching the vertex of the diamond. Next we have 12, then we have 18, then we have 24, then we have 36, then we have 42, then we have 48, and finally 54. Now after encircling the numbers, we are also going to accept these 2 numbers, the exceptional one. So 30 and 60 are 2 exceptional numbers here. So now we have the table of 6. So 6 into 1 is 06, 6 into 2 is 12, 6 into 3 is 18, 6 into 4 is 24, 6 into 5 is 30, 6 into 6 is 36, 6 into 7 is 42, 6 into 8 is 48, 6 into 9 is 54, and 6 into 10 is 60. Hope you guys get this table trick. Now let's get on to with the table trick of 7. For a closer look to the table of 6. Now finally, let's get on to with the table of 7. Now we will be starting with the table of 7. So to do the table of 7, it's really easy. Now let's get started. So first we will be just writing the numbers in a systematic order from the right top corner. So let's start. So first 1, 2, my board just keeps like moving. So let's try that again. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and finally 9. And after writing these, we will be of course adding the exceptional 0 here. Now let's get on with the next step. How to do the next step? We are just gonna write the numbers in a serial order, but we are gonna be repeating the number we wrote here from here. For example, first, as I said, we are gonna be writing the numbers in a systematic order. So 0, 1, 2. Okay. Now after 2, we are going to be repeating the number 2 here. So 2 again. Then the normal order. So 3, 4. Now we are going to be repeating the number 4 here again. So 4 and then the order 5 and 6. Now since we all know that 0 is exceptional, so we are going to be writing a 7 here. So can you see, like we have already the table of 7. As you can see, 7 into 1, 07, 7 into 2, 14, 7 into 3, 21, 7 into 4, 28, 7 into 5, 35, 7 into 6, 42, 7 into 7, 49, 7 into 8, 56, 7 into 9, 63, and finally 7 into 10, 70. Now let's get on to with the table of 8. So now we will be starting with the table of 8. So to do the table of 8, I have found 2 processes or methods. So the first method, we have to like draw a grid. As you can see, like 5 on the horizontal and 2 on the vertical. Now to like start with the trick, we just have to write the even numbers from 0 to 8 from the like right corner to the left corner. So 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Now we are going to be repeating it again. 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. Now let's get on to with the next step. next step is also really easy. We just have to write the numbers in a systematic or normal order. So 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now we will be repeating the 4 here as we were doing for the table of 7. So repeat the 4 here. Now 5, 6, 7 and 8. So as you can see, we have the table of 8 here, and like 8 into 1 8, 8 into 2 16, 8 into 3 24, 8 into 4 32, 8 into 5 40, 8 into 6 48, 8 into 7 56, 8 into 8 64, 8 into 9 72, and finally 8 into 10 80. Now let's get on to with the second process or second method. Now this is the second way or second step of doing the table of 8, which I think is more easier than the previous one. Let me know in the comment section which you think is the more easier process. So first we are just going to be writing 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so now we are going to be repeating the order like the 4, only the 4 here. So 4 again, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Now let's get on to the next step. So now we are going to be do the next step. We just have to write the even numbers from like starting from here where we repeated 4 in the bill. Like from here we'll be starting from writing the even numbers from 0 to 8. So 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8, and then we're going to be repeating it again from the last digit. So 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. So as you can see, we already have the table of 8. For a closer look, now let's get on to the table of 9. Now we will be doing the table of 9. So to do the table of 9, we have two tricks or two methods. So the first method, we will be just writing the numbers like this. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and then 9. So now after that we will be just writing the numbers from here, from like the beneath or bottom, okay, from the bottom. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and finally 9 for a closer look. And as you can see, we have the table of 9 here. Now let's get on to with the second method. So now we will be doing the second step. Now have you noticed one thing, like 9 into 1 is 0, 9, right? We all know that. So the 9 into 10 one is the reverse of it. So 9, 0. Just like that, as 9 into 2 is 18, 9 into 9 is 81, or the reverse of 18. So to this step, you just have to memorize till 5, just till 5. You don't have to like memorize the rest of it, and like you will get it. So like 9 into 3, 27, and 9 into 8 is 72, the reverse. Now 9 into 4 is 36, and now 9 into 7 is 63, well, the reverse again. Now 9 into 5 is 45, and exactly 9 into 6 is the reverse of 54. Now as you can see, we have the table of 9 again. Hope you guys liked the video. If you liked, like, subscribe, and don't forget to share and comment on which process you thought was much more easier and you have any doubt. You can also write in the comment section. I will answer. And if you have not seen my previous table trick video, go on the iCards, or you can also visit the link from the description box below. Thanks for watching.